It was an ugly picture. It was an ugly picture វាជារូបភាពអាក្រក់មួយ I bet my team will win. I bet my team will win ខ្ញុំភ្នាល់ថាក្រុមខ្ញុំនឹងឈ្នះ The horse can run fast. The horse can run fast សត្វសេះអាចរត់លឿន I will give you a card. I will give you a card ខ្ញុំនឹងឲ្យកាតមួយទៅអ្នក Take a card, any card. Take a card, any card យកកាត់មួយទៅមួយណាក៏បាន He is my best friend. He is my best friend គាត់ជាមិត្តល្អបំផុតរបស់ខ្ញុំ He is likeable person. He is likeable person គាត់ជាមនុស្សដែលគួរឲ្យចូលចិត្ត likeable នឹងបានន័យថាមនុស្សដែលគួរឲ្យចូលចិត្តគួរឲ្យរាប់អានគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ Why is she crying? Why is she crying? ហេតុអ្វីបានជានាងយំ 3 is an odd number. 3 is an odd number. លេខ3ជាលេខសេស I like to roller skate. I like to roller skate. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តជិះស្គីស្បែកជើង roller skate ហ្នឹងអាស្បែកជើងយើងពាក់មានកង់នៅខាងក្រោមជិះទៅវាល្អិលហ្នឹងណាអាហ្នឹងគេហៅ roller skate. We arrive home safety. We arrive home safety. ពួកយើងមកដល់ផ្ទះដោយសុវត្ថិភាព His back began to hurt. His back began to hurt. ខ្នងរបស់គាត់ចាប់ផ្ដើមឈឺ He lost his right boot. He lost his right boot. គាត់បាត់ស្បែកជើងកវែងខាងស្ដាំរបស់គាត់ I like to blow bubble. I like to blow bubbles. ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តផ្លុំពពុះ The queen wore a crown. The queen wore a crown. ចាស់ស្ត្រីពាក់មកុដ The rabbit's fur is soft. The rabbit's fur is soft. រោមទន្សាយទន់ What do you have for dinner? What do you have for dinner? តើអ្នកបានអីធ្វើជាអាហារពេលល្ងាច We had meat for dinner. We had meat for dinner. ពួកយើងបានសាច់ជាអាហារពេលល្ងាច I put the gas in the truck. I put the gas in the truck. ខ្ញុំដាក់ហ្គាសក្នុងឡាន The hillside was steep. The hillside was steep. Steep នឹងចោតចង្កេះភ្នំចោត The baby slept all day. The baby slept all day. ទារកគេងពេញមួយថ្ងៃ I have a new white car. I have a new white car. ខ្ញុំមានឡានថ្មីពណ៌សមួយ It is already 6 p.m. It is already 6 p.m. ម៉ោង6ល្ងាចហើយ Please pour the coffee. Please pour the coffee. សូមចាក់កាហ្វេ I admire their parents. I admire their parents. ខ្ញុំសរសើរឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់ពួកគេ The dog began to grow. The dog began to grow. ឆ្កែចាប់ផ្ដើមលូតលាស់ថាវាចាប់ផ្ដើមធំណាយើងប្រើពាក្យ began to grow. My dad is not home yet. My dad is not home yet. ប៉ារបស់ខ្ញុំមិនទាន់មកផ្ទះទេ Richard shook his head. Richard shook his head. Richard កវីក្បាល The food is tasteless. The food is tasteless. ម្ហូបអត់រសជាតិអត់ឆ្ងាញ់ How is it cost? How is it cost តើវាតម្លៃប៉ុន្មាន He is an unpopular man He is an unpopular man គាត់ជាមនុស្សម្នាក់ដែលគ្មានប្រជាប្រិយ I prefer blue to green I prefer blue to green ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តពណ៌ខៀវជាងពណ៌បៃតង Steel is a mortal alloy Steel is a mortal alloy ដែកជាលោហៈធាតុ Stop wasting your time Stop wasting your time ឈប់ខ្ជះខ្ជាយពេលវេលារបស់អ្នក Excuse the mess please Excuse the mess please សូមអធ្យាស្រ័យចំពោះការរញ៉េរញ៉ៃឬក៏ភាពរញ៉េរញ៉ៃ He visited Angkor Wat He visited Angkor Wat គាត់បានទៅទស្សនាប្រាសាទអង្គរវត្ត I settled the argument I settled the argument ខ្ញុំដោះស្រាយជម្លោះ Let's watch the parade Let's watch the parade តោះមើលក្បួនដង្ហែ He fell but was unhurt He fell but was unhurt គាត់ធ្លាក់តែអត់ឈឺទេ I like fiction stories I like fiction stories ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តរឿងប្រឌិត We chatted for an hour We chatted for an hour ពួកយើងបានជជែកគ្នា1ម៉ោង The fan belt was loose The fan belt was loose ក្រវ៉ាត់កង្ហារលុង I like sugar in my tea I like sugar in my tea ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តដាក់ស្ករក្នុងតែ Yesterday we drank tea Yesterday we drank tea ម្សិលមិញពួកយើងបានផឹកតែ His demeanor was sober His demeanor was sober អាកប្បកិរិយារបស់គាត់គឺស្ងប់ស្ងាត់ I am a Native American I am a Native American ខ្ញុំជាជនជាតិដើមអាមេរិកាំង The egg began to hatch The egg began to hatch ស៊ុតចាប់ផ្ដើមញាស់ It is a ponderous idea It is a ponderous idea វាជាគំនិតដែលគួរពិចារណា He is an amputee He is an amputee គាត់ជាជនពិការ A frog is an amphibian A frog is an amphibian កង្កែបជាសត្វដែលរស់នៅលើគោក៏បានរស់នៅក្នុងទឹកក៏បាន Amphibian ហ្នឹងគឺសំដៅទៅលើសត្វទាំងឡាយណាដែលវាអាចរស់នៅក្នុងទឹកផងនិងនៅលើគោផង The mammoth is a rodent The mammoth is a rodent សត្វ mammoth ជាប្រភេទសត្វកកេរសត្វកកេររបៀបកប្រុកកដុលអីចឹងណា He ate the whole apple He ate the whole apple គាត់បានញ៉ាំផ្លែប៉ោមទាំងមូល I love fresh pineapple I love fresh pineapple ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តផ្លែម្នាស់ស្រស់ Her note was copious Her note was copious កំណត់ត្រារបស់នាងគឺច្រើនណាស់ He flew the kite He flew the kite គាត់បានបង្ហោះខ្លែង The mask was grotesque The mask was grotesque ម៉ាស់ចម្លែកគួរឲ្យចង់សើច I read the comic strip I read the comic strip ខ្ញុំអានរឿងកំប្លែង He is a gold medalist He is a gold medalist គាត់ជាម្ចាស់មេដាយមាស He is a prime minister He is a prime minister គាត់ជានាយករដ្ឋមន្ត្រី We are going to school We are going to school ពួកយើងកំពុងទៅសាលារៀន They are going to market They are going to market ពួកគេកំពុងទៅផ្សារ We are picking flowers We are picking flowers ពួកយើងកំពុងបេះផ្កា We are listening to music We are listening to music ពួកយើងកំពុងស្ដាប់តន្ត្រី His school is very far His school is very far សាលារៀនរបស់គាត់នៅឆ្ងាយណាស់ Her brother is my boss Her brother is my boss បងប្រុសរបស់នាងជាមេរបស់ខ្ញុំ Her room is very clean Her room is very clean បន្ទប់របស់នាងស្អាតណាស់ How is this dress How is this dress តើរ៉ូបនេះយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរ How is your new job How is your new job តើការងារថ្មីរបស់អ្នកយ៉ាងម៉េចដែរ Where are your manner Where are your manner តើចរិតរបស់អ្នកនៅណា Where can I get a taxi Where can I get a taxi តើខ្ញុំអាចជិះតាក់ស៊ីនៅកន្លែងណា Where do you have pain Where do you have pain តើអ្នកឈឺកន្លែងណា Where is my chocolate Where is my chocolate តើសូកូឡារបស់ខ្ញុំនៅណា There are 5 windows There are 5 windows មានបង្អួច5 It was a hot summer day It was a hot summer day វាជាថ្ងៃក្តៅមួយនៅរដូវក្តៅ The birds began to sing The birds began to sing បក្សីចាប់ផ្ដើមច្រៀង I hope it rain tonight I hope it rain tonight ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាយប់នេះនឹងភ្លៀង I will work at the yard I will work at the yard ខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការនៅធ្លា A nut fell out the tree A nut fell out the tree ផ្លែណាត់មួយបានជ្រុះពីដើម The thieves were arrested The thief was arrested ពួកចោរត្រូវបានចាប់ខ្លួន They built a playhouse They built a playhouse ពួកគេបានសាងសង់រោងល្ខោនអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាពាក្យ playhouse វាអាចប្រែថារោងល្ខោនឬក៏កន្លែងផ្ទះក្មេងលេងហ្នឹងក៏គេហៅ playhouse ដែរ You look very thin You look very thin អ្នកមើលទៅស្គមណាស់ I live in Phnom Penh I live in Phnom Penh ខ្ញុំរស់នៅភ្នំពេញ He will rake the leaves He will rake the leaves គាត់នឹងរាស់ស្លឹកឈើ The man yelled for help The man yelled for help បរិសស្រែកសុំជំនួយ May I use your recorder May I use your recorder តើខ្ញុំអាចប្រើម៉ាស៊ីនថតសំឡេងរបស់អ្នកបានទេ I like her pretty dress I like her pretty dress ខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តរ៉ូបស្អាតរបស់នាង